Well, it's here, the day football fans have been waiting for since February. The NFL is back in action tonight. I'm here at US Bank Stadium, home of the Minnesota Vikings, and today we are announcing it is one of 13 stadiums across the country where fans will get to experience Verizon 5G ultra-wideband. We're showing some super fans how 5G is going to be this year's MVP. How? By putting 5G speeds in a head-to-head challenge against some of the NFL's biggest stars. Skol!
I'm not worried about my speed at 42 years old.
Now, Vikings legend Randy Moss was pretty confident his on-the-field speed is still faster than a 5G download. You coming back or what?
Hell,
Come on! Now let's go to Liz in New England.
Hey guys, I'm at Gillette Stadium, home of the Patriots, where we just saw Rob Gronkowski run a 40-yard dash, but not faster than downloading a full season of Hard Knocks on our 5G network.
And here at MetLife Stadium, former NFL star Keyshawn Johnson got in on the action too.
And while these guys are fast, they're not 5G fast. None could beat the download.
But I got my jacket, baby. It's over.
Yeah. So besides giving fans access to those incredible download speeds in parts of the stadiums, Verizon 5G has the potential to create some game-changing experiences. From retailers and concession stands to operations and maintenance, the network could also connect businesses and consumers like never before. And if you can't make it to the stadium, you can catch all the action on your device on Yahoo Sports. That'll do it for us here in Minneapolis. Until next time, Randy?
Straight 5G, homie. You're up to speed.